you will also receive, Ashton, awards for being best in religion, best in English, best in Filipino, best in Araling Panlipunan, best in science, best in math, best in MAPE, and best in Department of Grade 2 St. Albert. Wow, Hakot Awards. Congratulations, Ashton. With honors, we have Castillo Marcos Dwayne D, De Guzman James Sebastian P, De Gala Paul Timothy A, Florita Jetro Richard B, Francisco Prince Stephen A. We have also Javier Israel Matthew C. with honors, Kilaiko Rodmar Jacob, Lopez Adrian Gray G, Magpantal Hale Noah G, Saraza Emmanuel Dylan C. We have also Bareo Amelie Sky F.
Mom,
Yes? Yes?
ng kain ko, ng
Kyle?
spelling niya.
Which one po?
Kain po.
Ano spelling po na?
Ay, ng pronunciation po pala.
Pronunciation. How do you pronounce your first name, anak?
Kain.
Kyle. Okay. Stand corrected. Noted yan, anak. Sir Kenneth, did you hear that? It's Kyle. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, I'm done with Bareo. Amelie Sky. Tama yun, anak. Joaquino Akisha Claire. Amale. Amale po. Tama? Amale, sir. Amale Sky. Okay. Joaquino Akisha Claire. Magno Brianna Isabel A. Peñalba Gabby Jean P. Rosales Catherine Jen Y. And Talastas Zoe Grace M. Okay po? Congratulations, grade 2 St. Albert.
Ma'am, gising ba't ako?
Pardon? Sino po yan? Hello po?